Hello everyone, my name is Alec and this is my video for Chapter 2 Lab demonstrating Step 17. So first I wanted to go over what was challenging and helped me out a lot in this exercise. So originally I had a space here when I lightning bolted it or executed it, and you can see there's a next here, there's a line here, and syntax indicating syntax error. So I was looking for the syntax error for a while, and basically it was just this simple space. If you execute it, you see the X goes away, and you get the result. It's definitely helped me out. I learned a little bit. It was challenging for me. Now on to step 17. So I have both scripts right here and right here, separated by a semicolon, and we put the insertion point at the top, and we start off with Control Shift Enter. You get both results for both scripts, result 18, result 17. So if I put the insertion point at the top and just put Control Enter, we get only one result for the first script. And we do the same thing to the bottom. Insertion point at the start of the second script, Control Enter, and we get the result for the second script. And that is step 17. Thank you for watching.